gave me a small book from Boston. He's so cute. Book. Yay. We bird scootered to get food again and watched Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Forgot to log yesterday. Took Davinci out for walks. He's nightmare. Should I show this?
Why did you write this?
Oh, you don't know this?
No.
Oh, look. Wanna read it? No, and actually you shouldn't read. I was gonna save it until I got some, more entries.
Okay.
You got me this from Boston, remember?
I did. Yeah.
I was trying to write down cute stuff we did. Like I was gonna give it to you at the end. Look, oh fuck, oh shit, I ruined the surprise!
It's okay, I'll forget it, okay?
Really?
Boom.
Boom.
Deleted from the hippocampus. Ah! Rat. It's past your bedtime, honey. I'm tired.
I'm tired. Ooh, play me something, honey. Play me something. Are you trying to play For Elise, but it's completely in the wrong note?
No, I'm just I'm doing the same finger distances for Elise.
Yeah, I could tell.
But in different places, I'm guessing.
Play chords, like. Okay.
You gonna keep my piano
playing? Okay, you do it. Go. Yes, I am sleepy. Who's sus? Sussy baka. Oh, okay, my turn.
Baka.
My turn.
Oh.
No, you have to. Okay. Okay. Ready?
Sure. I was playing Among Us today. Just thinking about how not to act sus. But we're all kind of sus when you really think about it. I'm sus to myself. Sometimes I want to just vent away from my problems. But life isn't like Airship or Volcano Map or even Original Map. Life doesn't always have a vent for you to take. Sometimes you just gotta deal with your problems head on. You gotta kill people with your hands instead of venting away from them. Can't.
Oh, don't play your saxophone?
Right now?
Oh, never mind.
You want me to play it?
No.
You wanna play it? I'm down. I might wake someone up because it is 1 in the morning for sure. Toast is sleeping right now. Really? For sure.
Are you sure?
It's pretty fucking loud. I mean,
it's only 1 a.m.
It's only 1 a.m. I should get one of those electric saxophones.
Yeah.
Then I could play it at any hour of the day, and our neighbor wouldn't get us evicted.
Sing my song.
And I vented to the atmosphere. Cause I play Among Us in bed, nothing but dread in my head. I want to vent inside so bad. I'm a sussy baka and I'm playing Airship. Oh my god, Among Us is fun. Cause I'm so fucking sus right now. They're gonna vote me out. I wish I could just vent away from my mom, cause she's a bitch. I wish I was imposter right now, but I'm a person. Want Among Us again. And then soon as this fucking map ends. This is a little sussy one for all you little bakas out there.
How many clip channels do you think are gonna take that?
Enough. Monk. I made a cool router sled today.
Really?
Yeah.
You wanna show me now? I'll go with you.
No, you're streaming. I'll show you later.
I'm gonna just end it. I don't care.
It's okay. I still haven't finished it.
Don't be a sussy baka. I'll end it.
Sussy baka.
Don't be a sussy baka. What do you mean?
What is that? What do people say?
What are you saying?
In old Western movies, they're like, "Come set a spell," and it means like sit down. It's like prompting someone to sit down, right?
Oh, I had no idea.
What is that? What is that from? That's such a weird term.
I'm not gonna do it anymore though, because you made it really awkward now. Did you see the Comfy Cafe AU?
No.
Can I show you? Look. Okay, where is... Oh my god. Someone link it! Link!
Honey.
Link the thing! Oh.
Oh, I did see this.
Isn't it cute?
Yeah, that's cute and quirky.
Look, that's you.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm the one. Okay, alright. We gotta roleplay this. Okay. You're the guy. Yeah, we're improving. You have to come in. No, I'm like the worker, and you have to come in and order a coffee. That's how it works.
I'd like to order.
No. Can you you gotta actually okay, alright. I'm working. Okay, I'm the barista. Okay, alright. Hi, what can I get for you?
I'd like a cup of coffee with 1 pump of cum.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching.
You ever see that? You ever see that YouTube video with the pump of cum? That was so funny.
So dumb.
It's a good video.
I'm going. I'm leaving. I'm actually leaving.
Welcome to Cumbucks. What's
Stop.
your order?
Stop it.
God, that's a goodie.
I'm going.
Dun.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some food. Okay, sorry. Thanks for watching. Stream pom pom. Bye.